Batisi TV. Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors. Halatko ni Shillong. Ringkat bakanet foodish. Ordar mapi Ninwan Ramani. Hakirdob ying jongpi.
SVJ Foundation, in association with St. Joseph's Educational Services, are conducting career seminar cum educational fair on the 4th of June 2022. Register on 9436 119 or walk in directly to the venue for further information.
Uba Sanbor Shulai ubadeu MLA jangka BJP ulapha iukurwa ubashai Sngewbha Alexander Elhek ubadeu para MLA jangka BJP ba umdei setiapan Kynthoh persya Khlemakor ya Sorkar kat baka BJP kadang yatrelang hapo kakenhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balai lam da National People's Party. Hal kecil keren bigila patai kubur uba Sanbor Shulai ubadeu menteri hapo kini ke Sorkar balai lam do Konrad Sangma kum menteri rangba ula Kynthoh yu ba Elhek bahkan jendela baha bau no ya kapus bau bat hapok Sorkar lada udang jai million ban Kynthoh nakapor ya Sorkar kini kijing Kynthoh jong ba Sanbor Shulai kalong hadian bau ba Elhek nadu pula syaweng nagshuki menteri ulas dang ban Kynthoh bat ban kedau keti persya ek Sorkar bat syushu uba Sanbor ulah kena ba uba Elhek men bau dang long menteri Sorkar ju sahami wat tang shikintin ru persya ek Sorkar.
I cannot understand why Bahek like this. Being a very senior, of course, he won 4 times as MLA. As MLA, 4 times, huh? 4 times. 4 or 5? 4. I won 8 elections. When he was holding the post of minister, you will see him, if there is anything also, he keep quiet and keep quiet. So people should understand when he have to leave the chair of minister, he start giving all this sort of statement without my knowledge as a colleague in the government. So let the people judge. So that's why I appeal to him as my colleague that henceforth don't give all this bullshit statement without consulting me. Because BJP, he's not only BJP, I'm also BJP. And all members of the state are BJP, and the supporter, all BJP. So as a matured politician, he should refrain from giving all this sort of statement. Ubahek, ula job sa MLA Sausin. Ula long matured, nongelam bala mo kipat ba kala ay Sausin. Tengaru, pinakain na ba MDC tengah along Prasia job election, Duran. Teri sotu kumcakin te abade para kolik habadan kinu statement ban ai nomor mensua ibahet apa itu apa ibat yang cuci minister apa ibat itu dan nek mungkin statement te nrai dalam mungkin cupo ko cuci ban ya ai mungkin statement ba persa ki ba iu nomor iru itu napa ko government kalau biet te nakaliang jungi Dr. Farluki como presiden juga state NPP takadai benong telarja ba pimso hun yang ada ayuta resign no kin nakapus resign from the nakapus ba pipan but not to pull down from the government until we get a directive kan pangipat yo ya ka hukum no buat dali telarapi lapinang part ya kapus te trailang dalam kinu ki problem si jongpi rabe chief minister rachi di concern department te kalau kam kai lagi gumne gumurang ba ya gini statement gumne ta bur pa ba suir ki ke hakabe de ya kana ka ya gini ki construction ni data ni tai te regarding this construction because you will see that's why I appeal to the electorates of Meghalaya in this tenure. This cement, dobilan, used for construction of various buildings. It seems that it is this cement in this tenure, it is not suitable for any construction. Assembly, it collapsed. ISBT, it collapsed. Then this bypass collapse everywhere. It is not suitable. To my appeal to the people of Meghalaya to avoid from all this collapsing cement, from this kind of cement, So change the cement. You give the cement of BJP government, then everything we will take care of. The dream will come through all the problem, the teachers, educated, unemployed, road development, everything we will give you. Like other state, Christian state like Nagaland, 98%. They give the BJP led, now they got everything. Arunachal, they got everything. See Assam, just recently Assam, you have started distribution, spot handing over of appointment order to 23,000. Now district headquarters is going to distribute. You have created now first phase 7 lakh job opportunities. So this way it will happen in Meghalaya also, provided if you change the cement, give us the BJP cement, then everything you will get. And no more collapse of building from henceforth. As soon as the BJP government start functioning, you will see that all this thing will happen in the future. And all the aspiration, the problem faced by the youth, educated, unemployed, the teachers, the government servant, everybody will be fulfilled within a short span of time.